I'm going to create my first click on Insert Pivot Table. Here, select the table of the range table 1. And our new worksheet. Okay, here we are. And here I'm going to do basically position this here. I'm gonna call it T1. So we have our first table, okay? Then we're going to create a pivot table. Again, a new worksheet from this range, table 1. And here I'm going to do the same, but for the representative. So for each representative, I have the total amount here. Okay, this is T2. Okay, and then I'm gonna move this here. Then I'm going to create another one, insert pivot table. Again, where we have here the date of the call. Okay, done in this way. I'm gonna change this field settings. I'm gonna keep here, we have months and calls, then we have purchase amount and duration. Value fields. I'm going to change these names. Rather than sum of purchase amount is total sales, and this total duration. Okay, here we are, we have this. Then we're going to do the following. Layout and print show item labels in tabular form. Okay, the same is for this. The cells. Then we create a latest. So first of all, we're going to do the following. T3. I delete, sorry, this one, and I'm going to data. Is basically done as following. Here we have the duration, and the value is done by the purchase here. But we're gonna change this. We're gonna count our purchase. Okay, here we have this. For this one, we're going to do the following. Include new items in manual filter. Just like this. Okay. Now here, I will do the following. I'm going to select the table. I'm going to click on group. And I want that our table will have duration starting from 0 to the maximum 1. If we go to data, okay, the maximum is almost 180 minutes. So I'm gonna group this for group from 0 to 176. I can say 180. 0. 180. Okay, by 30. At 30 seconds, I'm gonna do this. Okay, this is the duration. Okay. filter. Here we have our table with the duration, settings, group by not day months but by months. Here months. Okay, so we have here months, as you can see, and again you're going to none, like this. Okay, you can have like this, and then again to my table, worth, the purchase amount, you go down, okay, in the thousands. I'm gonna click on update the duration. Okay, I can also leave the duration like this. The amount is okay. I'm gonna refresh this. So we have our pivot tables now. So we have the one with the customer ID, and here we have the sum of the amounts, so the total amounts per customer ID. Here we have total amounts per representative, so we have people just taking the calls, and then we have per date, total sales and total duration. We can do this per month, per year. It depends how we group dates starting from the minimum and the maximum, months and years. Then we have here, we group the duration, if you're going to click this, I get these groups, as you can see, 0, 0 to 29, 30 to 59, etc. We group this, and we have the purchase, okay, for each duration. So for 30 minutes we have 55, and etc. So we have basically here this. So for each duration group, we see how much we earn for calls of 30 minutes and etc. of 30 seconds. Okay, so and then we create our base. Now we have the data, etc. and we are going to create now our dashboard, and I will show you in the next video.